Group settings. In the group settings, you will be able to create the different locations and departments from which your company operates from. Click Add New Group. Add the name of the location that will act as a group. Set the language used at this location. Add a time zone. Click Add. If you need to, you can add departments to this location by clicking on Add Group again. This time, the group name will be the department name, for example, Sales Department. And the parent group will be the location office you created before. Back on the main group setting page, you will now be able to press the plus button to the left of the office name and see the related departments you have added to it. If you need to make any changes, you can click on the edit button and make the changes and amendments.